Root, chicha, a bird in hand. There lived a fierce lion in a forest. One day, the lion spotted a small rabbit playing under a tree nearby. The lion following him, waiting for a chance to pounce on the poor little rabbit. When the rabbit saw the lion, he ran for his life. But the lion sprang on him, and the little rabbit got caught between his powerful paws. Before the lion could gobble up the rabbit, a deer came into the lion's view. The greedy lion let the rabbit go and ran after the deer. The deer leapt away speedily as the lion chased him and soon disappeared into the forest. He cursed himself for letting the rabbit go away. A bird in hand, moral. A bird in hand is better than two in the bush. It means you should not want more than you have and be happy with whatever do you have. Being greedy makes you lose rather than gain.